So as you saw, I do have two other lightsabers on my wall, and I'm kind of running out of room. I, like probably many of you that came back from Savi's, from Galaxy's Edge, just wondering, how am I going to display my lightsaber? I really don't have room to display the lightsaber with the blade in it, so I was looking at other options. And one of the great things is a good number of the lightsabers from Savi's actually has the Covertec adapter. And I did a quick Google search and also through Amazon and found this 3D printed Covertec wall mount. And it seems like it's going to work pretty well. As you can see, it fits perfectly, as it would for probably any lightsaber. It doesn't have to be from Savi's, obviously. It just needs that Covertec adapter. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this on my wall. And I will say the drywall anchors that come with it are pretty decent, but because I'm going to be taking the lightsaber on and off the wall pretty frequently, I'm going to beef up the top anchor so that way I don't have to worry about any problems with my drywall. So let's go ahead and install it. So in addition to the drywall anchors, you'll need a hammer, a pencil, screwdriver, 7/32 bit, 1/2 inch bit, and a Jedi Holocron.